Hello everyone, we arrived in the town Pernes-les-Fontaines, located on the plain of Mont de Vaucluse with a view over the Mont Ventoux, and it's in half an hour driving from Avignon. The town takes its name from the large number of fontaines, some of which are listed as historical monuments. Let's go and explore the town. We are next to the former church of Augustines, which is now a cultural center. All the historical monuments are dispersed in different parts of the city. Now we will try to find the best ones. Today is a holiday in France and there are very few people on the street. It's safe to shoot video. This clock tower is a 12th century vestige of the castle of the Comtes of Toulouse with a panoramic view on the county. You can always support our channel by subscribing, dropping likes, leaving your comments. We are always happy to see you here. There is the famous Mont Ventoux. let's see the exhibition of Isabelle Hoffmann. It's very hot outside today. We stopped at the cafe, which offers a wide variety of homemade pastries and ice cream. This place is ideally located near Porte Notre-Dame. This is a perfect place for a break. Got an ice cream called Mont Ventoux, and it's very delicious. This city was coming back to eat more of that ice cream. We recommend this cafe.